All right. Hello, everyone. I hope that you are doing well. Um, these are crazy times, and I'm doing my best to get you everything that you need. I hope that your family is safe. I hope that you are getting everything that you need from everyone. And I'm making these little tutorial video. I'm pointing over here for no reason, but this is Camille's diner. Um, yeah. Anyway. And I'm making these video tutorials for Grammar Explorer in the event that you are unable to join the Zoom meetings because of other classes. And it's also giving me some time to practice filming these things. Yeah. Oh, anyway. So we are going to do right now pages 250. 250, 250, Eric, 250. Carmen, make sure Eric is on page 250. And it looks like this. There are dolphins. And here we go. Feel free to read along with me. This is for what's called future conditional. In other words, if something happens, then something will happen. For example, if my coffee is done, I will be drinking it. So it's using if at the beginning and then using the will for the future. Another example is if we fix everything going on with the coronavirus, students and teachers will go back to school. Okay? So in this one, they're talking about dolphins and whales and noises. So feel free to read along with me. I'm going to read it, but if you want to, I would suggest reading it out loud to yourself while I read it. Here we go. The sounds of the sea. Whales and dolphins use sound to locate food, find their way through the oceans, and communicate. So there are three things that they do using sound. I would number them. So the first one is they locate food. So I would put a 1 above that. They find their way through the dark oceans. I would put a 2. And thirdly, they communicate. Sometimes, however, human noise interferes with the sounds that whales and dolphins make. The result can be very harmful to these animals. The word interfere means it gets in the way between their communicating. So right now, if I were to try communicating with you and the internet were to cut out, then that would be interfering with our communication. Underwater sounds are louder and travel farther. Scientists believe that even distant noise from human activities can disturb dolphins and whales. This noise can come from ships, submarines, and the equipment that is used to search for oil and gas. Underwater noise causes whales to increase how loudly they communicate. Now here is our first future conditional adverb clause. However, if, and I would like you to circle the word if the underwater noise gets too loud, whales and dolphins will stop communicating. I would like you to circle will stop communicating. And then draw a line from if, the first circle, all the way to the second circle, will stop communicating. So if the underwater noise gets too loud, they will stop communicating. Next one. If dolphins and whales stop communicating, important information will be lost. We're going to do the same circle and line right here. So circle if and draw a line all the way to will be lost. Okay. For example, a dolphin that finds food won't be able to tell other dolphins. Mother whales will lose contact with their babies, and animals may die on the shore instead of finding their way across the sea. What can we do to protect dolphins and whales? We can try to create less noise. Ships and submarines can avoid areas with a large number of these whales Scientists also believe that a, quote, curtain of bubbles around industrial sites will reduce noise underwater. If we do nothing, if, circle, dolphins and whales will suffer. Circle that as well and connect them. If and will, if and will. Now, you only have to use will if you're going to use if at the beginning. Okay? Here we go. We're going to go over to the next page, 251, at the top where it says to check. Read the statements, circle T for true or F for false. Number 1, whales and dolphins depend on sound for communication. True. Number 2, ships cause problems for dolphins. That's also true. 3, when dolphins cannot hear, they can find their way correctly. False. Good job. Number 4, mother whales don't need to be in contact with their babies. False. Good job. And 5, curtains of bubbles will make more underwater noise. False. Okay, and now we are on the last section for this today. Here we go. Number 3, discover. Complete the exercises to learn about the grammar in this lesson. And A, find the sentences in the article from exercise 1 and write the missing words. Now, I'm going to give you a hint right now. All of the missing words come from the sentences that are bold. In other words, they come from the sentences that are a little bit darker or a little bit thicker text. They're really, really, really black and they stick out from the paragraph. It's all the ones that we circled. So here we go. However, if the underwater noise, fill in the blank, let's go to it. If the underwater noise gets too loud, whales and dolphins, what? Will stop. Good job. I'm talking to myself, but I'm pretending I'm talking to you. Number 2, if dolphins and whales stop, not stop, communicating important information will be lost. Good. And 3, if we do nothing, dolphins and whales what? Will suffer. Good. And the bonus question, B for bonus. Look at the words you wrote in exercise A. Then circle the correct answer to complete the statement. Discuss your answer with your classmates and teacher. That's going to be hard to do, but I did tell you this answer about 2 minutes ago. So rewind back. Here we go. Will is used in A, clauses that begin with if, or B, main clauses. A or B? A, correct, because it has to begin with if in order to use will. And it looks like my coffee is done. So for now, I will bid you adieu. I hope you are well. I will post this in Google Classroom and to my YouTube channel because apparently I am a YouTuber now because I am teaching from my house. Okay, goodbye everyone. Peace, stay healthy, stay inside. I hope you are good. I hope your family is well. Take care of yourselves. Okay.